Well, we have the July Amazing Mystery Box Doctor Who Galifrey edition. Some nice stamps on this one. It's a complete sheet of Thomas the Tank Engine. I think I might try and get that one off and save that. It's quite a heavy one this time. So let's go in and we'll get the first item out. So the first item is, it looks like a Doctor Who tote bag. So, trust me, I'm the Doctor. Doctor Who logo. Feels quite thin, but it's okay as a tote bag. I think these are the ones they used to give you at the Cardiff Doctor Who exhibition. I think, or they might have been black, but it's an unusual one. Let's pop that to one side. The next item is, oh, that's a nice figure. I haven't got that one. That's Clara Oswald in the 3.5 inch figure range. So the smaller figure range. It's not a bad likeness. I think that's going to be destined for a nice paint job. Wave 4. So there's the various ones you could get. I think I've got that one. I haven't got the rest. Danny Pink would be a good one to have, but Clara's always good. We always like the Doctor Who figures when they turn up. Let's have a look. Next we have a Doctor Who sugar bowl. Let's have a look. Very weighty. So that's a TARDIS sugar bowl. People still put things in sugar bowls. Room for a spoon, so that's okay. I think I've almost got a complete set of these items. Let's pop that to one side. And we've got a Doctor Who mug. That's a Matt Smith mug. Let's take that out. Matt Smith mug. I've got quite a few Doctor Who mugs now. I haven't got that one. I don't drink that much tea or coffee, to be honest. So then we've got a little plush adipose. Oh. That's bizarre, to say the least. I've got a little Dalek and a Cyberman one. I might hang that in the car, actually. That's bizarre. What else have we got? Oh, not a lot. No t-shirt. Ooh. Oh, can you read that? Oh my goodness, this could make it all worthwhile. That is gorgeous. So it's a Sir Derek Jacobi signed print, actually signed by the actor. That is amazing. The box was worth that just for that. That's gorgeous. I do like that. They put a couple of mugs in, so you feel like you might not have got your money's worth, and then they give you a Derek Jacobi signed print. That's it in that one. But I think that's a good old box now that's in there. I wonder how many others are going to get that one. It's been a signature I've been after for a long time. I've just been cataloguing all my signatures as well. I never thought I'd get that one. That is, I'm absolutely chuffed, over the moon about that one. So I'm going to try and stand it up, but it doesn't want to stand up. There we go. So we've got that. We've got a sugar bowl, a mug, rather nice Clara figure, and the absolutely bizarre that's the weirdest sound ever. So yeah, that was a good box. No t-shirt this time, but to be honest, the signature more than makes up for that one. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these unboxings, and I'll keep the subscription going. But yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.